How to control YouTube short recommendation. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to control YouTube short recommendation. First, open the YouTube application on your phone. Now, tap on the U button in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the settings icon. Look for and tap on Manage All History. After that, tap on Delete. Then tap on Delete All Time. Now, tap on the Delete. Finally, tap on the OK button. That's how you can control YouTube Shorts recommendations. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.